How to upload your photos on Google Photos. So open any browser and type Google Photo. Now log in with your Gmail and password. Now to upload, click here. Then click on import photos. Now select your photos. Then open it. You can select original quality option or storage saver. Store photos and videos with no change to their quality. Store more at slightly reduced quality. You can select any option, then continue. Now wait for a few seconds. So it's a similar Google Drive. You can upload your photos like this. So thanks for watching.